ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Dakaba buha khamat yaka thongman pinsngo thu shekipat ba nong shong shnong bat pelong yaka Meghalaya ka jalla ka Pynkhuid bat ka balan na ka jingpin jaklia yaki saudong saukun ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya ha ka arphautrik unailur arhasa apulai ka pinsdang ya ka jingaware pajba bat Pynkhuid yaki saudong saukun habaro ka wai ka jalla lingba ka jingalang ka bala pelong ha State Convention Hall Shillong ya ka ni ka jingaware pajba la tepkom ka swachhta hi seva berkapang pedeng jong kani kajingya wer pajba kadai kabalat ho haga ketien pareng ka baong garbage free India but ya kani kajingya wer pajba an Pynkhuid haka arterik urisau arhazar arpulai kabadai ru kalengkhu sngi kha jong Mahatma Gandhi lingba kani kajingya lang menteri bakmi ya katnat PHE ula khot ula wer ki pajba nong shong shnong jong ka jilla Meghalaya barok kawai ban Pynkhuid yigi saudong saukun hakishnong kithau yiki wa bat yakitel long Hakani jingalang la sakilang the Commissioner and Secretary Jong Sorkar Jilla Ubakmi Yakatnat PHE Uzayed Mohammed A Razi Mission Director Jong Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya Uba JP Lakyang Additional Chief Engineer Jong Katnat PHE Uba S Lingdo Rengkat lang berkinong kit kam shnong nagishnong bapher hakani kanong ba shillong kiseng samla shnong berkinong alam jong kijat nyam bapher
This Swachhta Hi Seva or cleanliness is a service is a powerful initiative that has been taken up in India to promote cleanliness and hygiene at both individual and community levels. It focuses on the idea that cleanliness is not just the responsibility of the government but of every citizen. This mission was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi ji with the aim of creating a cleaner and healthier environment for all of us. Swachhta Hi Seva stands as a reminder of the importance of cleanliness in our daily lives. It urges us to recognize the impact of our actions on the environment and encourages active participation in cleanliness drives. The emphasis is not only on removing litter and waste, but also on adopting good sanitation practices and spreading awareness about their benefits. This campaign addresses various other issues related to cleanliness, such as open defecation, waste management, recycling, and safe and clean water drinking. It aims to create a society where cleanliness becomes a way of life, not just an event or a mere formality. Swachhta Hi Seva encourages individuals to make conscious choices regarding cleanliness, and it empowers communities to take ownership of their surroundings. One of the key aspects of Swachhta Hi Seva is participation and involvement of the citizens. It promotes community engagement. While individuals come together to clean public spaces, organize awareness programs, and educate others about the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. This initiative has been successful in mobilizing people from all walks of life to actively contribute to the cleanliness drive. Swachhta Hi Seva, we can address several passing issues that our country faces, such as unclean surroundings leading to diseases, pollution of water and air, and the degradation of our rural resources. By practicing cleanliness, we not only improve our immediate environment but also contribute to the overall well-being of our nation. So cleanliness is not limited to just physical spaces, it extends to our thoughts and our actions as well. Swachhta Hi Seva also encourages us to promote mental and emotional cleanliness by nurturing positive attitudes, compassion and respect for others. It reminds us that a clean mind and a spirit are essential for personal growth and societal development. Swachhta Hi Seva is a significant movement that emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in our lives. It gives us to take responsibility for our surroundings, promote a cleaner environment, and contribute to the betterment of our society as a whole. By action we take towards cleanliness is a service to our nation, ensuring a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future for all. Let us embrace this initiative wholeheartedly and make Swachhta Hi Seva a way of life. The dream of India, which not only has political freedom but is also a clean and developed nation.
Mahatma Gandhi dreamt of India, which was not only as a political freedom but also clean and developed nation.
Mahatma Gandhi broke the clutches of slavery and won independence for Mother India.
Mahatma Gandhi broke the clutches of slavery and won independence for Mother India.
Now it is our foremost duty to serve our country by keeping it neat and clean. I take this pledge that I will remain vigilant towards cleanliness and devote time for this. I will devote 100 hours of voluntary service for cleanliness every year, that is at least 2 hours a week to achieve this goal. I will neither litter nor let others litter. I will start cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village, and my workplace. I understand that those nations which took neat and clean do so because their citizens neither litter nor let others litter. With this belief, I will work for Swachh Bharat mission in villages and in towns. I will encourage 100 other citizens to take pledge which I am taking today. I will endeavor to make these citizens devote 100 hours for cleanliness. I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness, I will help in making our country clean. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.